How to free up disk space on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, click the search icon at bottom left and now search for storage settings. If you don't find in this way, you can simply go ahead and first of all right click on the start icon and click on settings. Here you need to click on storage settings and you will get a storage settings. Click on it to get access to storage settings. And here you will see that our local disk C is covered with 193 GB and only 43.6 GB is free. And here you will see some of the temporary files which are not necessary for us. Simply you can click on temporary files and you can select the temporary files. Simply check mark temporary files button. And after that, you can simply free up 6.84 MB space and 27.6 MB space. Click on remove files and after that you will successfully free the disk space on Windows 11. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.